Hey everyone, I'm Ted Holmes with the Holmes team at William Ravis Real Estate. And today I decided to be on location. I'm at my house, and what I'm having done today is I'm having solar panels installed. Many of my clients over time I've come across and I've sold their houses had solar panels. So I've always been curious and intrigued by how solar panels obviously will save you money on your electricity bills. And that's always a good thing in today's high cost of energy. Here's a little bit of what's happening right now with the solar installation at my house. A few things to consider when deciding to put the solar panels on the house. And the first thing, obviously, is I had to get my wife to agree to this project. And one of the things that clients always hesitate about is the view of solar panels on your roof from the street. So how does it affect your curb appeal? Leading up to this decision, my wife felt very strongly that she did not want solar panels on the front of the roof because we're a house that when you drive down the street, you would see them. And even though having solar panels on the front and the back would make the house much more efficient, I agreed with my wife and I said, okay, we won't put them on the front, but so we'll put them on the back. And during this process, we also cut a few trees down in order to give us better exposure. I talked to a few companies over the years and I ended up choosing Trinity Solar. And Daryl Winter is the salesperson for Trinity Solar. And I actually did an interview with Daryl not too long ago. It's on my blog if you want to go back and take a look at that. I don't know exactly what the outcome will be and what the savings will be, but I'm pretty confident based on the analysis by the solar company that there will be savings. It's just a question of how much. If you're considering solar or would like more information, or you have any questions related to your home and real estate, please give us a call anytime and enjoy the rest of your day.